welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week is my top 5 tips for PowerPoint. You've created a PowerPoint presentation and absolutely have not just downloaded one from the template section, but as you get to the end you realise that you don't like all the colours and fonts used. Instead of going through every individual slide and changing the fonts and colours, go to the Design ribbon and select the More option in the Variants section. In this option, if you change the fonts, it will update all the fonts in the presentation at once. Change the colour palette and all colours will also be switched. Last week I showed you how you can create a Power BI report. Once you've published your report, you can embed it directly into a presentation. In your published Power BI report, select Export, PowerPoint, Embed Live Data. This will provide you with a linked copy. Then go into PowerPoint and in the Insert ribbon select Power BI. Paste your link and you'll have access to your live report. As well as Power BI reports, you can also embed interactive quizzes into your presentations. In the Insert ribbon, select Forms. A pane will show on the right side, and if you have no quizzes created, you can click on New Quiz here. But when you do have a quiz, it will be listed here and you can hover over it and select Insert. You can select which view you'd like, but if you select Present for interactive meetings, a QR code will be shown to encourage your audience to scan with their phones and answer. Their responses are collected and displayed in real time. If you want to add pictures into a slide but you're not sure how to arrange them, let Designer do all the work. I've inserted 5 pictures and without moving any of them, I'll select Designer in the Home ribbon and it will open a pane on the right side. Give it a second to have a think and it will show you lots of different ways to arrange. Simply click to change. And finally, the Morph transition allows you to animate smooth movement from one slide to the next. It takes an object on one slide and moves it to its new position on the next. But you can actually morph one shape into another. On one slide, insert a shape. In the Shape Format ribbon, select Selection pane. Rename your shape and make sure that that name begins with 2 exclamation marks. Then in your second slide, add your second shape, and in the Selection pane, give this shape the exact same name as the first one. Apply the Morph transition to the second slide, and now your shape morphs into the other. That's it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.